Bonjour mes amis. Today's video is going to be me trying out the 3-stripe makeup challenge. Now you're probably thinking, what is the 3-stripe makeup challenge? I actually seen this clip of this woman on Instagram and she had taken 3 eyeshadows and just literally placed strips on her lids and blended it out, and it looked stunning. I couldn't believe that really that was all that she did. So we're gonna try it, you and I, and see if it actually turns out. The blend I want to do is the yellow, green, blue, and see how that turns out. Okay guys, I don't know how that's gonna work out. And now let's get to blending. Not loving it, to be honest. Now for this eye, I'm gonna use just the finger method. 1 stripe, 2 stripe, and 3 stripe. I'm gonna get my blending brush and see if I literally sweep it across, what happens. Maybe it's the colors I chose to use. It's very bright, and I don't know, the more I look at it, the more I'm sort of feeling this. Let me put on some liner to see if I can save this look. It does look a little patchy, but not too patchy. Just the right amount of patchy. Let's get these lashes on, because lashes are such a vibe, like, magnifique. Okay, I'm gonna top this off with a peachish blush. The 3-stripe challenge is getting me together. It is doing wonders, sort of, maybe. This is it. So the 3 stripes makeup challenge, I would say, you know, trust the process. It seemed like I wasn't really gonna pull through there, but I sort of came together. I wish I had somewhere to rock this look to, but maybe I'll go to the mailbox, or, you know, go to the grocery store and floss it. I don't know. I don't know. But anyways, if you liked this challenge and you liked this look, definitely give this video a like. Comment if you're gonna try it yourself, and I'll see you when I see you. Bye.